Hi everyone, I'm Uliana. Welcome to Yoga for Posture. In this practice, we will work on stretching the shoulders and front body and strengthening the back and ab muscles that are responsible for keeping you upright and help you maintain a healthy posture. If you find poses in this practice too hard, try another 10-minute yoga practice for posture that I uploaded before and come back to this video when you are ready. You can find the link to that video in the description box below. Let's begin in comfortable seated pose. You can sit on your heels or in simple cross-legged pose. If you find it hard to sit cross-legged with your spine straight, then you can try sitting on a block or a rolled towel or blanket or maybe a cushion, something that helps to elevate the hips so that you can comfortably release the knees to the ground, straighten your spine, sit nice and tall. Close your eyes and take a few deep breaths through the nose to get ready for the practice. Deep inhale, long exhale. Open your eyes and start making gentle circles with your head. 3 circles in one direction. And then switch side, 3 more circles in another direction. Bring your head back to center. Roll your shoulders up, back and down, making circles with your shoulders. Try to make the circles as big as possible to warm up the shoulders. And switch direction. Release your shoulders. Place your hands on your thighs. Take a deep inhale, lift the chest, arch the back, look up. Exhale, lean back, round the upper back, chin to chest. Inhale, lift the chest. Exhale, round the back. Continue to move with your breath, warming up the spine in this seated variation of cat and cow. Last time, inhale, lift the chest. Exhale, come back to neutral spine. Switch your legs if you're in cross-legged pose. Place your right hand on the ground. With inhale, reach your left arm up. Exhale to the right, stretching the left side of the torso. Send your breath to the left ribs. Feel the stretch. Come back to center. Inhale, reach your right arm up. Exhale to the left. Breathe into the right side of the body. And come back to center. Left hand on the right side, right hand behind, gently twist to the right. Come back to center, switch side, gentle twist to the left. And come back to center. Take away the block and come to lay down on your belly. Extend your right arm to the side with palm facing down, left hand next to your chest. Start rotating your body. Bend your left leg and open the hips to the side. Keep pressing down through the left hand and rotating your body so that you feel the stretch on the front of the right shoulder. Breathe here. And slowly come back to lie down on your belly. Let's do the other side. Left arm extended to the side. Press down through the right hand and rotate your body until you feel the stretch on the left shoulder. Breathe there. And slowly release. Place your left forearm on the mat, bend your right leg, and with your right hand press down your foot gently so that you feel a good stretch on the front of the right thigh. Stretching the quads. Slowly release your foot, switch sides, right forearm on the mat, bend your left leg and gently press the heel down closer to your sit bones. And slowly release. Place your hands next to your chest for cobra. With inhale, lift your head and chest using only your back muscles. Take your hands away from the mat and see how high you can stay using just your muscles. Exhale, release the head down. Inhale, lift the chest. Exhale, release down. Continue to move with your breath and try using just your back muscles. Not so much weight on the hands. Just a couple more. Release your head down. And now position your forearms on the mat, interlace your fingers, tuck your toes in, inhale and lift your body up for forearm plank. Hold here, continue to breathe. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, release. Take a little break. Extend your arms forward on the mat. With your next inhale, lift your legs, arms, chest, everything that you can lift up, and hold here. Try to come up a bit higher with each breath. And release down. Press down through your hands, slowly lift your body up into a child's pose variation. You can keep your knees together or a little bit wider. Interlace your fingers behind. With inhale, lift your chest a little higher. Try to take your hands away from your sit bones. Exhale, bend forward, bring your forehead down. And keep pressing your hands away from your sit bones, from your back, stretching the shoulders and stretching the hips at the same time in child's pose. Slowly release your hands down. And come to a seated position. Keep your knees bent, feet around hip distance apart. Place your hands down behind you with fingers facing in the same direction as your toes. Press down through your hands and feet and lift your body up for reverse tabletop. If your neck feels okay, you can drop your head back. Otherwise, keep the neck active and tuck your chin slightly towards your chest. Keep pressing down through your hands and feet. Engage your glutes to lift the hips higher. And slowly release your hips down. Lift your shins parallel to the mat. Lift your arms, both paws. Hold here. Try to lift your chest a little higher. Engage your core muscles. Release. Place your hands back on the mat. For the next 2 rounds, you can either do the reverse tabletop again or straighten your legs for reverse plank. With inhale, lift your body up. Keep pressing down through your hands and feet. Try to lift your hips higher. The back of the body is engaged. Deep and steady breath. Release your hips down. Another round of Navasana, both paws. Lift your feet, your arms. You can keep your knees bent or straighten them for a bit more challenge. And remember to keep lifting your chest up. Engage in the core muscles and breathe in. Release the feet down. Position your hands. Last round of reverse plank or reverse tabletop. Your choice. Inhale, lift up. Hold here. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Release the hips down. And last round of both paws. Inhale, lift your feet up. Lift your arms up. Try to smile, sometimes it helps. One more inhale here. And exhale, release down, lay down on your back. Keep the knees bent, place your feet hip distance apart, closer to your sit bones. Press down through your feet and lift your hips up for bridge pose. Stay here, or if you want, you can interlace your fingers behind you. Keep pressing down through your feet. Make sure your glutes are engaged. The inner thighs are engaged so that the knees are not splaying to the sides. Slowly release with the exhale. Hug your knees to your chest. Rock a bit side to side. Massaging the lower back. Place your arms on the ground in cactus shape. Straighten the left leg. Right foot outside of the left thigh and gently twist to the left. Maybe look to the opposite direction over your right shoulder. Gentle spinal twist to finish the practice. Come back to center, switch side. Bend the left knee. Twist to the right and look to the left. Bring the knee back to center, straighten your legs and arms on the ground, For final relaxation, close your eyes. Notice how your body feels after this short practice. Maybe you feel more openness in your chest, in your shoulders. Bend your knees, roll over to the side, press down through your hands and come up to seated. That's it for today. Let me know in the comments if you enjoyed this practice. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe and click the notification bell to receive updates when new video comes up. See you next time. Bye!